Welcome. Let's continue with our last lecture where we were talking about some of the most important topics for your upcoming UGC NET geography subject. So, another list here is the International Solar Alliance. Very, very important topic in light of the need for renewable energy in the latest go. And then from the environment, Paris Agreement becomes an extremely important topic. The enhanced NDCCs, the Loss and Damage Fund under Paris Agreement. Coming on to satellite and cartography, Cartosat, Reset, and OceanSat are three of those which are really, really important. EOS, as we had already talked about in the last class, was again a very, very important topic. Then, from the list of new topics that have been added, deep ecology versus shallow ecology, the difference between the two, we have covered a comprehensive lecture on the two, and it is really, really important for your upcoming examination. If we talk about oceanography, conceptual topics are really important. For example, thermohaline circulation. In this, brine rejection is again very, very important topic, commonly asked also for your CSIR Earth Science paper. So oceanography, cover that carefully, the Great Ocean Conveyor Belt, then the marine heat waves. Now, in the last editions of Down to Earth that we have covered, we have emphasized about the impact of climate change and its consequences with marine heat waves rising. Also, with light to the contemporary developments, blue economy becomes one of the very, very important topics, and the processes and the policies under it. In the oceanography and climatology, we do focus on circulations. So, under climatology, we have the Walker circulation, extremely important topic. Not just Walker circulation, but MDS,